Hi friends, today I'm going to show you the unboxing of Prestige Clean Plus Home Mop. I bought this for 2000 rupees in market, and the quality is really good. I really like the container where it has wheels and also some pulling handle, and we have two excellent microfiber cloths which is useful for cleaning, and the quality is really awesome. And also in this box you can find the rods, one for extension and one pulling handle as well for the bucket. Let's see how to attach this pulling handle to our bucket, and this pulling handle is also having some extension to pull the bucket. As we know that this unit is having wheels, we can easily carry throughout our cleaning. And one spray bottle has been given where we can use it for disinfectant liquids. And one user manual. This is the bucket container, and this is the outlet to flush the water when you want to dry. So I'm fixing the rods. We have knobs for that, and it is just like a screw type of thing. You can easily fix it. So this is the microfiber cloth where we can easily remove this cloth and reattach with the new things. And this microfiber cloths are also available in the market. Now if you see this rod, it is moving forward and backward. So this is the spinning unit where we can put our rod and just push the rod so that it will spin and flush the water from the rod. And this unit is our cleaning liquid unit. So we have to pour some water in that unit and add some disinfectant liquids to clean the floors. And if you want to see the knob, when I fix the knob, then it doesn't move anymore, and when you release that one, it will move towards and forward, forward and backward. Thank you for watching.